Do this. Oh, pouty face. Let me see.
No! No!
Go. Yes, that's your pouty face. Let me see. Can you show me Trevor's sad face like this? You do this and I'll give you. Trevor, can you say yes? Can you say no?
No.
Can you say mama?
Mama.
Can you say Nana?
Nana.
Can you say bye-bye?
Bye-bye.
Can you say go green?
Go green.
Can you say football?
Football.
Can you say where'd it go?
I go.
Say I don't know.
No.
Can you say I love you? I love you.
No.
You are so cute.
No.
What does the kitty say?
Um,
Meow. What does the doggy say?
woo, woo.
Yes. You are so smart. Where's your eyes? Yes. Where's your nose? Yes. Where's your mouth? Yes. Where's Trevor's hair? Where's Trevor's chin? Yes. Where's Trevor's ears? Very good. Where's Trevor's hands? Right there. Can you clap?
No.
Can you do, what? Yes? Do you want to hold this?
No.
Say yes. Do you want to hold it really bad?
No.
Say no, like this.
No.
Can you dance? Can you blow me a kiss?
Ma.
Aw, thank you. Can you wave bye-bye? Bye-bye. Can you say bye, guys?
And this.
Bye, guys.
Boom, boom.
Vroom, vroom. You're going to go bye-bye. Bye-bye, guys.
Mommy.
Say bye-bye.
Bye-bye.